Okay, we've got this grooved out in here. Same on this side. So we're gonna start rounding this down. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. If you notice, I go from side to side so I can try to keep it even with the other. That's why we keep moving back and forth. We use this shaping tool to taper this back. So that's how we want to bring this out. We got to do the inside part yet, and we want to take this down in here. We'll use this tool to shape this down. You see how that tapers that down compared to that side? So we're going to work on the other side, and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.